Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Shorter Wong. All right, so Shorter Wong, he's got a lot of hair on him. So we're going to start kind of not in the middle, but up a little bit. And we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. And we're just going to do some ziggy-zaggies here. Like that. I'm gonna come up like so. We'll have another line right here. Now we've got another line coming out. And then this guy reminds me of a rooster kind of. And then we'll do some zigzags. Man, put a lot of product in his hair to get it to go this way. Woo! All right, so we got some little shadowy lines. And then off this, we've got his head that comes down, and then it comes in, and then comes around and meets up with this right here. It's like this is a shaved part of his head. Oh! Crazy hair. All right, then we've got an ear, like a letter C or backwards C, and we've got some little ear detail in here. Then let's see here. He's got, okay, so his eyes go here, his mouth comes about here, and he's got like kind of a crooked little mouth line. And then he's got like a little chin line, like that. And then his chin's down here. So it's gonna come up and line up with his ear. And I guess it comes up here like so, and then runs into this line right there. All right, and then this one is gonna come up. Kind of the same thing. And then we want these ears to be the same like distance from the head. There we go. And then his nose line is kind of right in the middle here, so I'm going to put a little dot there, and then I'm going to put one of his nose holes, and they're kind of like a number 6. And then we've got some little side things to his nose holes. And we've got some lines here for the top of his nose. Now we've got some lines coming down here for the sides, and then come the glasses. Hair and glasses, that's who this guy is. A lot of hair, a lot of glasses. So we're in two lines like that. And we're gonna come up, come down, come down. We're gonna come across and go back up. And then this gets a little tricky because it goes behind the glasses. Put a thick line here. And then this one kind of slants down. There we go. And then he's got like a shadowy line kind of in the glasses. And he's got a little bit of a furrowed eyebrow, so it starts here and then it comes up like that, and that's all dark. And then on the other side, we're gonna come down, and then it's gonna reach the hairline here. And then on this side, it's gonna come down, come back up, around, and then it's also got like a shadowy thing. And then this comes up and then back, and then it goes back behind his ear. Like that. All right. And then let's just finish. There we go. Okay. And then we're missing an eyebrow, so here we go. This one goes way up like so. Goes down. Gets real skinny at the end. That. And he's got a long neck, so here's his long neck coming out from his jawline. Like so. And then he's got a line coming down, across. And then he's got his shoulders kind of coming out from his neck. And then we've got a jacket that comes down. A jacket that comes down and then comes back in. And then there's another layer to the jacket and another layer to the jacket. And then we've got his shoulders right here. Okay, and then over here, come across, come down, then there's that, and then it comes back, down and back, down and back. And then this one has like a double thing, little detail. And then got the shoulder right here. And we're missing a shirt. So his shirt comes down and back around, down, skip it, back around. I think that is good. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.